Love, from high school classmates to this moment, our story was never planned. Somewhere in our fourth year, something changed, and without realizing it, my heart found you.
This is the best part. Watching all that we've been dreaming of come to life. I feel it in my heart.
Hi, love. Today is the day that we both prayed for, and I just can't wait to see you later and to build and be together. Like, no more see you tomorrow because you're my home now. I love you.
Magic. Got a fire running through my veins. Oh, I'm never gonna be the same. It feels like magic. It feels like magic. Heart's racing and I'm flying high. But I'm never letting up the sky. It feels like magic. It feels like magic.
Ganon yung fourth year kami. Then, medyo nagka-develop na.
Maybe because nag-matured, may something-something na, then we officially became together when we were college.
Hindi na namin alam kung ano nangyari. Nagtuloy-tuloy lang. Yung sinabi namin. Ngayon, umabot na. Kakasal na kami. I always say that I don't promise anything. I just do it. But today, in front of everyone we love, I promise to love you with all that I am, to care for you, to protect your heart, support your dreams, and stand by you through every joy and every challenge.
I prayed for this life, and I prayed for you. And today, here you are, my answered prayer.
Nag-meet kami nung high school kami. So, classmate ko siya since first year high school.
So, classmate kami, and then second to third year, we bullied each other. As in, pumulay.
Para kaming aso't pusa niya, hindi kami mag-ano talaga. Hindi kami magkasundo. Tapos, kagabi nga, nagpa-practice kami ng sayaw. Naaalala nung ibang classmate ko na kasama ko sa groomsmen. Noon nga daw, pag nagpa-practice kami ng sayaw sa school performance, ganyan. Lagi kami nag-aaway, lagi kami nagtatalo. Kaya kagabi, pinagtatawanan namin na noon nagpa-practice tayo ng sayaw sa school lang, ngayon nagpa-practice tayo ng sayaw sa kasal natin.
Love, from being high school classmates to teasing each other and slowly falling in love, I never imagined that after 10 years, I would be standing here marrying the person I met 15 years ago.
Relationship ko sa kanya, sabi ko masaya talaga. And romantic din kasi siya kasi kung paano niya i-express yung love niya is lagi siya nagbibigay ng gifts. Showy siya. Ako naman medyo kabaliktaran. Hindi ako masyadong showy. So, talagang opposite kami pagdating. Pero, yung relationship namin talagang parang nag-gel together.
And I can't wait to build a home, a family, and a life grounded in love and faith with you. I give you my heart, my love, and my forever under God's grace. I love you.